Hi, I'm David, Product Director at Taoglas, and today I'm excited to introduce our Thunder series. These are our rugged all-in-one antenna and router enclosures built for reliable high-performance connectivity even in the toughest, harsh environments. The Thunder series combines wideband antennas with industry-leading routers in a single compact antenna enclosure, minimizing installation time, cabling complexity and failure points. So it's perfect for mission-critical applications where uptime matters. Whether you're deploying in urban infrastructure, remote industrial sites or mobile assets, the Thunder solutions ensure fast, consistent wireless connectivity from 600 to 6000 MHz with both directional and omnidirectional models to suit your application. These units are available pre-configured for top router brands including Ericsson, Semtech and Digi, with IP67 rated options and full support for cellular, Wi-Fi, GNSS and Bluetooth. They're built from robust ABS and every enclosure is optimized for seamless outdoor deployment and is fully customized from the router compatibility through to the mounting options. If you're looking to simplify connectivity without sacrificing performance, the Thunder series really delivers. Reach out to us today for samples or speak with your local Taoglas representative for more information. Thanks for watching.